I was saying, so today's session is going to be a recap session where we will give you a brief about the healing process that we are doing right now and why we are doing it. Why is it essential? So I'll talk about it in the session as well. Did you face any? I mean, did you feel any kind of emotions while you were thinking about that problem? Maybe somebody might have felt. Um, okay, somebody has written that while practicing, I got emotional clearing. Wonderful. Crying, correct. Okay. Teary eyes, that's the tear of joys. Okay. Any other emotions that people have felt during the chanting? Any negative emotions? Let me ask you, if somebody has some anger, release, wonderful. So, did anybody face like forgiving somebody, maybe for some situations, emotions bursting out? Wonderful, amazing. So this is the power of this particular prayer. So we have just done 21 times, 11 times, because we don't have much time today. As I said, fear, yes. So all the emotions that you are seeing right now, people are typing in the chat window. These emotions you have been carrying for certain situations in your life, which you are releasing now. Now,
give us.
I think few of you can unmute yourself and just share your experience.
It was really good, and the emotions that we had been carrying long time has been released. It gives them strength also. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're most welcome. Anybody else who would like to also share a quick experience? Yes, I think yes. Please go ahead. Somebody has raised hand. I don't know. The name is iPad. So ask to
Manjuji, you need to unmute yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can hear. We will be
Yes,
able to.
mentally very much relaxed.
Great.
And thank you for being a part of this session.
Yeah.
It means a lot for me. Thank you so much.
Very nice to see you.
Thank you. I know today's was the emotional, I would say it was necessary to release all the emotions because they are the main connector and the sources of our own energy. So it's very much needed for us to do this experience. And tomorrow, I promise I will make you experience more different way, in a more joyful way. So
Okay.
sorry for today's emotions, but it was really needed for you guys.
Yeah. Okay, anybody else who would also like
Just
to
quickly please share so that we can also get some motivations and
yeah. I see a lot of thank you messages in the chat box. So yeah, thanks to all of you who have just commented thank you. It feels really great that you have experienced and you were able to connect, which is more important.